Hello dear students, welcome in our new video. This video is about the brainstorming activities of our fourth lesson 1.4 Big Data Big Insight. So open your textbook and see on the page number 40. See the first question on the page number 40. A1, YouTube has many videos on various things. Listen to the uses and health benefit of lemon and share them with your friend. Okay, now this is our first activity. You everyone have a smartphone. So what is the activity? Visit YouTube and find out the videos about the benefits of lemon for our health. Got it? I am going to tell you some benefits, but you also go and find out video on the YouTube. So what are the benefits for us? See, number one, it is a good source of vitamin C. Nowadays, because of coronavirus, we come to know importance of vitamin C. So lemon is one of the good source of vitamin C. Second, it supports weight loss. Next, it improve your skin quality. Then it is beneficial for fresh breath. And last one is it can optimize mood and memory. Okay, these are the some benefits. Actually lemon has many benefits for our health. So visit YouTube and find out some videos and शेअर विथ युअर फ्रेंड. लिंबाचे काय फायदे आहेत आपल्या आरोग्यासाठी याच्याशी रिलेटेड व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला यूट्यूबवर फाइंड करून तुमच्या मित्रासोबत शेअर करायचे आहेत. गॉट इट? सो नाउ वी टर्न टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इट इज A2. See in A2, first activity, make point-wise notes from the lesson regarding the use of big data in the following application. Do not write complete sentence. It is about only in a points. So we are now going to write the points wise notes about the following points. What are the points? A, location tracking. B, healthcare industry. And C, education industry. So we first of all see the first A, location tracking. In a location tracking, write down first, identifying and tracking the exact location of the place. Because of location tracking, using Google Map, we are finding exact location or a place. Then next, point number 2, real time data about traffic. We find out the information about the traffic and that information is real. Third one, guidance about a particular route during traveling. We find out the routes. Sometimes we don't know the routes. रस्ता माहीत नसतो. At that time we get the help of the Google Map, and using that app so we find the exact route. And last point is understand accident prone areas. Got it? We have a lot of uses, but we write only 4 point is there. I am going to repeat it once again. Identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. Number 2, real-time data about traffic. Number 3, guidance about particular route during traveling. And number 4, understand accident prone areas. Got it, everybody? Now turn toward the next, healthcare industry. Our second point is healthcare industry. So what is the uses of big data for a healthcare industry? See, uses of modern gadgets for a 24 by 7. Point number 1 is what? Uses of modern gadgets for 24 by 7. Number 2, unnecessary guesswork reduce. Point number 3, better diagnosis of illness. And point number 4 is past records of patients can be maintained. Got it, everybody? So these are the 4 uses we are going to write. Actually, healthcare industry also have a lot of benefit of big data, but we are going to write only 4. So I am going to read once again. See the first one, use of modern gadgets for 24 by 7. Second, unnecessary guesswork reduced. Number 3, better diagnosis of illness. And number 4 is past records of the patients can be maintained. Now we turn toward our third point. Our third point is education industry. See, what are the benefits for education industry? Point number 1 is customized learning program. Point number 2 is check the progress of the students. Point number 3, get information of students' strength and weakness. And point number last is guide the students to choose the career. Okay, I hope you all are understand it. Now we turn toward our second activity in A2. See on the page number 41. When you are asked for personal details on a social media, what precautions will you take? Discuss in pairs and write down. Discuss with your friend or discuss with your parents and answer it. When someone is asked on a social media for your personal details, at that time what precaution will you take? Nowadays we are going to see the misuses of social media. Because of we share our personal details with them, the people take the disadvantages of that information and that is harmful for us. काय आहे की एक सोशल मीडियावर लाईक व्हॉट्सअप, फेसबुक, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, समवन इज आस्क यू अबाउट युअर पर्सनल डिटेल्स, तेव्हा तुम्ही काय प्रिकॉशन्स, काय काळजी घेणार आहात? सो सी मी काही तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. तुम्ही तुमच्या मनाने तुम्हाला या व्यतिरिक्त काही लिहिता येत असेल तर लिहू शकता. सी द फर्स्ट आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू, राईट डाऊन द आन्सर्स. I would take the following precautions if I am asked for a personal details on a social media. Write down in a point voice. First point, I would verify who I am connecting with. It is our first duty to check the person who you connect with. Got it? So next is, I would limit details about my work history and daily routines. Point number third, I would not share personal details if I am not sure. Do not share your personal information. Personal information share करायचीच नाही आहे आपल्याला शक्यतो. Got it? Fourth point is I would be careful of overfriending. फ्रेंड जास्त फ्रेंड करायचे का नाही. ज्यांच्याशी तुम्ही ओळखता, ज्यांना तुम्ही ओळखता त्यांच्याशी तुम्ही फ्रेंडशिप करू शकता. बट फ्रेंडशिप विथ अ अननोन पर्सन इज हार्मफुल फॉर यू. अननोन व्यक्तीसोबत वेळ करणं तुमच्यासाठी धोकादायक होऊ शकतं. यू डोंट नो द बॅकग्राऊंड ऑफ दॅट पीपल. तो व्यक्ती कसा आहे, त्याचं बॅकग्राऊंड काय आहे तुम्हाला माहिती नसतं. सो राईट डाऊन द नेक्स्ट. I would not give any information of ATM cards, its password and OTP. See, it is a very important. Nowadays, lots of people call you or SMS you. You are winning. You are win something. So share your ATM password or share something or share your bank account because you are a winner of that concept. So at that time what do? You share your information, and at that time the people take the disadvantages, and it is not good for your bank deposits. So don't share your personal information with anyone. Now turn toward the next. Do you think all the data we receive is used for positive things? If no, make a list of the negative things which can be done with the help of big data. Now see, each and everything has advantages and disadvantages. So, do you think all the data received is used for positive things? If no, then list some negative things. So what are the negative things? See, write down. काय आहेत निगेटिव्ह थिंग्स? सगळ्याच गोष्टी काय पॉझिटिव्ह याच्यासाठी वापरल्या जात नाहीत. सो राईट डाऊन द आन्सर. आय थिंक ऑल द डेटा वी रिसीव इज नॉट यूज फॉर पॉझिटिव्ह थिंग्स. हिअर आर फ्यू निगेटिव्ह थिंग्स फॉर विच बिग डेटा इज यूज. नंबर 1 is internet trolls. Number 2, cheating the peoples. Number 3, spread the misleading information. Next, collecting private information. Next, spread of rumors, and etc. These are the some. ह्या काही गोष्टी आहेत. बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ मिसयुजेस. खूप मिसयुजेस आहेत याचे. Got it everybody? I hope you all have understand it. Now we turn toward our next activity. It is A3. Guess the meaning of the following items and phrase and use them in the sentence of your own. One is done for you. See, one size fit all. Suitable for or used in a circumstance. The wrist watches have adjustable belt, so one size fit all. Next, people want great choice, the end of one size fit all approach. Next, the clearest lesson learned is that there is no one size fit all solution, although the problems are similar everywhere. The next is the one size fit all interest rate applied across the country. Okay, now turn toward the next activity. This activity is about our grammar section. See, do as directed. The sentence is, see, A. Advertisers are one of the biggest players in a big data. Begin the sentence with very few. And next is use bigger than and rewrite the sentence. Okay, so we convert this sentence in a both way. Write down the first one. Very few. Answer is very few players in a big data are as big as advertisers. And next is advertisers are bigger than other players in a big data. Got it? Now turn toward the next sentence. No other diagnosis is as good as diagnosis done with the help of big data. So what are the instruction? Two instruction is there. Use best and rewrite the sentence. And next is use better than and rewrite the sentence. Okay. So now we convert this sentence in a both way. Write down in a first. The diagnosis done with the help of big data is the biggest diagnosis. And second is the diagnosis done with the help of big data is better than any other diagnosis. Okay. Now turn toward the next. See, these internet gains provide the greatest data about people. Once again, two instruction is there. Begin the sentence with no other and use greater than and rewrite the sentence. So first sentence is no other internet gains provide us great data about people as these. Or next, no other internet gains provide as great data as this about people. We can write this answer in a both way. Now see the next. These internet gains provide greater data than any other internet gains about people. Got it, everybody? Now see, read the sentence from the extract. New insights have enabled to bank and finance companies to come up with suitable plans. This sentence can be rewritten as new insight have enabled the banks as well as finance companies to come up with suitable plans. Remember, as well as serve the same purpose as that of a coordination, the conjunction, and in the sentence when one of them is inserted in a sentence, other should be removed. Got it, everybody? Now turn the page and see on the next. On the page number 42, use as well as either or in the following sentence. A. Whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored, and analyzed. See, the answer is whatever activity we do online is recorded, monitored, as well as analyzed. Or we can write this sentence in an other way also. See, whatever activity we do online is either recorded or monitored, analyzed. Okay, we write down this sentence in a both way, as well as an either or also. Now see the next sentence. Big data has been useful in identifying and tracking the exact location of a place. Now see the answer. Big data has been useful in identifying as well as tracking the exact location of place. Next, big data helps either in monitoring the outbreaks of the epidemic or a diseases. See the next. Okay, dear students, in this way we are going to complete our brainstorming activities. Remaining activities A5 and A6 is about a writing skill. So we will cover these activities when we start our writing skill. Got it, everybody? Thank you so much.